Do you know about Atal Pension Yojana? Today I am going to tell you about Atal Pension Yojana. It is called APY. Atal Pension Yojana is a pension scheme introduced by the Government of India in 2015-16. It was implemented with an objective to provide pension benefits to individuals in the unorganized sector. This scheme is regulated and controlled by the Pension Fund Regulatory Authority of India (PFRDA). It is an extension of the organized National Pension Scheme and replaces the previously Pension Yojana, which was poor received by the general population. All accounts that were opened in the first year of the scheme, that is 2015, were eligibility of cooperation of that Indian government of for a 5 year. Atal Pension Yojana is a social scheme. It is launched by the Government of India and is aimed at providing a stream of income after the age of 60 to all citizens of India. In other words, it is a pension scheme forced mainly on the people employed in the unorganized sectors such as maids, delivery boys, gardeners, like that. The primary goal of the scheme is to make sure that one Indian citizen has to worry about suddenly illness, accidents, or any others things which happen. Their old age given a sense of security, not only that unorganized sector, private sector employees or any other that who are working with the organization that does not provide them pension benefits can also apply for the scheme. The pension scheme is targeted to the based of their financial obligated that individual that crop up in their retirement phase by the increasing saving from an early age. The amount of pension which an individual shall receive the directly depend on their monthly contribution and they decide to make at their age. Beneficial of the Atal Pension Yojana shall receive their it's a form of monthly payment and in even of the beneficial's death also in accidental death so that her and his spouse can continue to receive pension benefits and in case both such individuals are nominated shall receive the amount in the lump sum. The APY scheme is automatic debited and once of the primary Atal Pension Yojana is the facility of automatic debited the bank account of the that link with his or her pension account and the monthly contributions are directly debited on that account. An individual who have subscribed to their scheme has ensured that their account has sufficient finance that such automatic debit and failing such as shall attach with the pension. The facilities which they are providing, as I mentioned earlier, the pension amount one it eligible for receiving upon reaching the age of 60 and determined by their contributors, and there are different contributors which attach different pension amounts. What we can say that it might be so the individual decide to make large contributions to their pension account, and it will increase the financial capacity of to secure that higher pension amounts later in the course of this scheme. To facilitate with their requirement, the government provide an opportunity to increase and even decrease their contributions once a year of change of corporate amount. What we can say, guaranteed pensions means beneficiaries such means this scheme can choose the receive the pension of rupees 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 and 5000 depending on their monthly contributions. What we can say that the age resistance means individuals who are above 18 years and below 40 years of the age can decide to invest in the Atal Pension Yojana. Therefore, the college students can also invest in this scheme to create that corpus of their old age. 40 years has been set as the maximum bar of entry into the program, and so contribution to this scheme shall be made for at least 20 years. Then withdrawal policies. It is a beneficial that he can attain that age of 60 and she or he shall be eligible to enter this amount, that is receive monthly pension after closing the scheme with the respective bank. One can only exit with the scheme before reaching the age of 60 under that this treatment will this terminal illness or death. In the case of this beneficial death before she or he reaching 60 years of the age of his or her, his spouse shall be entirely receive that pension. As such, the spouse has also exit the scheme with the continue with the receiving pension benefits. However, individuals choose to exit that scheme before that reaching that 60 years of the age. They shall only be refused that their cultivating that contribution, interest, and the earn throughs. What that the terms are they are applying the means rupees 1 for monthly contribution of up to rupees 100 and rupees 2 for monthly contribution within the 101 and rupees 500 and rupees 5 monthly contribution with rupees 501 and rupees 1000. So rupees 10 for monthly contribution of rupees 1001 and above. So in this case contributed the payment of 6 months and such as accounts shall be frozen and it such default that continue with the 12 months that account shall be deactivated and the amount such contributed along with the interest and would be the return to the respective individuals. What tax applied, that the tax beneficial that available on the contribution made by the individual towards Atal Pension Yojana under Sector 80CCD of the Income Tax Act 1961. Under Section 80CCD 1, the maximum allotted this 10% of the concerned an individual and gross total income up to limited of rupees 1,50,000, and the additional example 50,000 contribution to the Atal Pension Yojana scheme is allotted under section 80 CCD. Now we can say that see Atal Pension Yojana, all banks in India and in other places also, pension account under the Atal Pension Yojana, they distribute that steps apply, how we can go through that APY. Visit to the nearest bank of that bank where you have an account and fill it out the application form with the requirement detail and submit it along with the two photos and your Aadhaar card also, and provide your active mobile number also. What we can say, this is very useful pension yojana for future. This pension is a scheme that every month after 60 years you are getting every month a limited amounts which comes regularly. अटल पेंशन योजना जो भारत सरकार द्वारा 2015 में शुरू की गई थी, और इस पेंशन योजना का लाभार्थी लोग बहुत लाभ उठा रहे हैं। और इस पेंशन योजना से के बारे में जो थोड़ा बात हुई है उसके बारे में ये बहुत ही जो सुनकर मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि ये पेंशन योजना के बारे में क्या है, लेकिन मुझे ये पेंशन योजना बहुत ही अच्छी लगी और मैं इसलिए ये शेयर कर रही हूँ कि ये इसका लाभार्थ सभी लोगों को उठाना चाहिए कि पेंशन एक सफिशिएंट अमाउंट जो आफ्टर 60 इयर्स में आता है, उसकी जो खुशी होती है वो अलग ही होती है कि आफ्टर 60 इयर्स में लोग कहाँ होते हैं। और यदि गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से ये स्कीम है तो इसका लाभ ज़रूर लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो पेंशन जो एक होता है, पहले जब मैं छोटी थी तो मैं सुनती थी लोगों से कि भाई गवर्नमेंट जॉब इज़ द बेस्ट, गवर्नमेंट जॉब इज़ द बेस्ट, वाई द गवर्नमेंट जॉब इज़ द बेस्ट। तब वो समझ में नहीं आता था, लेकिन सबके मुंह से तो यही सुनती थी कि गवर्नमेंट जॉब इज़ द बेस्ट। वाई? बिकॉज आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट द गवर्नमेंट विल प्रोवाइड एवरी मंथ ए सफिशिएंट अमाउंट विच इज़ कॉल्ड पेंशन। तो इसकी वजह से गवर्नमेंट जॉब के लिए लोग इस कदर भागते थे कि जैसे कि उनको क्या मिल रहा है, लेकिन ये एक जॉब सिक्योरिटी भी रहती थी कि जॉब जब तक कर रहे हैं वो तो अच्छा है, ये रिस्पेक्टिव जॉब है, गवर्नमेंट जॉब है। और लेकिन आफ्टर द रिटायरमेंट जो हर महीने गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से जो पेंशन आती थी उसका भी बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेज़ था हम लोगों के टाइम में। लेकिन अब ये टाइम चेंज हो गया है, क्योंकि अब गवर्नमेंट, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट और सेमी गवर्नमेंट जॉब में भी इतनी अच्छी सैलरी दे रहे हैं, प्राइवेट जॉब जैसा ही इतनी सैलरी प्रोवाइड हो रही है कि गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से पेंशन जो आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट जो पेंशन की योजना थी वो ख़त्म कर दी गई, क्योंकि उन लोगों को सैलरी बहुत अच्छी प्रोवाइड हो रही है। तो इस टाइप से 2015 से ये पेंशन योजना स्टार्ट की गई, अटल पेंशन योजना, कि आप अपना जब तक कमा रहे हैं आप अपना जमा करिए पैसा, एक सफिशिएंट अमाउंट एवरी मंथ, और जब आप 60 इयर्स के पहुंचेंगे मीन्स आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट, तो आप अपने वो आफ्टर रिटायरमेंट में आपको एक वैसे ही गवर्नमेंट जॉब जैसा पेंशन हर महीने आपको पेंशन मिलेगा। तो इट इज़ गुड फॉर एवरी सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया। और मुझे तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगा पेंशन योजना सुन कर के और पढ़ कर के, इसलिए मैंने शेयर किया।